Hi everyone. In today's video I will guide you on how to register and verify your identity to create a new account on Gate.io trading platform on your mobile phone. Let's get started. The first step is to scroll down to the video description you are currently watching. After scrolling down to the description, click on this link to register a new Gate.io account on your phone. Alternatively, you can register using this referral code. If you don't register through this link, your account might be registered through a spam or malicious link, so be cautious. When you click on the link on your phone, the registration interface of Gate.io will appear like this. Next, I will guide you on how to register a new account on this platform, and there are two ways to register. To register on Gate.io, you can choose between using your email address or your phone number. However, I recommend using your email address for registration. Enter an email address that you have not used before to register on Gate.io. In the next step, you just need to enter a password in this field. To secure your account, use a strong password with at least 10 characters, including numbers, lowercase and uppercase letters, and special characters. Remember to keep this password safe and do not share it with others. After entering the password, press Sign Up to proceed. Check the CAPTCHA box as required. After you register, Gate.io will send a 6-digit verification code to the email you provided during registration. Access your email, retrieve the code, and enter it into the corresponding field on the registration page. Congratulations on successfully registering your Gate.io account. The next step is to scroll down and click on this section to download the app to your device. Click on the App Store icon if you're using iOS or Google Play if you're using Android to download the app to your device. Press the download button. Open the application. Now you need to log into the application with your new account. Retrieve the code from the email and paste it here. I have successfully accessed the account. The next step is to guide you on how to verify your account. So press the button Verify now. Fill in all the required information as requested. In the ID number section, it will display various types of documents for identity verification. I recommend choosing the National Identity Card for this purpose. Enter your ID card number and click Next. The first step is they will ask you to take a photo of the front side of your national identity card. Click Upload to capture the front side of the ID card. You should place the national identity card in a well-lit area and ensure that the photo is taken without any corners or edges missing. Then click on Capture Front to take a photo of the front side. Afterward, click the Upload button and follow similar steps for the back side. Next, you need to take a selfie with your face within the frame. Press I'm ready to begin. Position your face within the provided frame and then click to capture the photo. After completing the previous steps, a notification will appear on the screen interface like this. After 5 minutes I pressed on the avatar menu and I've seen that my account is successfully verified. That's all you need to complete your identity verification on Gate.io. You also may verify your home address for more advanced verification. So do I? Enter your city and street address. You can start with Reward Now on the Rewards Hub. Congratulations, you've completed the beginner task. The rewards will be issued to your account automatically. You can view details in My Rewards.